Welcome to an easy walkthrough on how to enable automatic document downloads in WhatsApp on your PC with the latest update. First, open the WhatsApp desktop app and sign in if needed. You'll be greeted by your chats and contacts, all neatly organized on the left side. This is where the journey to smoother file sharing begins. From the left sidebar, locate and click on Settings. It's the hub for tailoring WhatsApp to your preferences, so you'll find a range of options there. In this section, focus on the Chats area, where conversations and message behavior are managed. Inside Chats, look for the Media Auto Download option. This setting controls what WhatsApp automatically saves to your computer when files arrive. It's designed to save you from downloading each item manually, which can be time-consuming, especially if you receive a lot of documents. Now, you'll see several categories for media types. Find Documents and check the box next to it. Enabling documents means any file you receive in chat as a document will automatically download to your designated download location, so you can access it quickly without extra taps. If you want to fine-tune further, you can review other categories like photos, audio, or videos. You can turn these on or off based on your needs, but for documents specifically, keeping that documents option enabled is the key step. This setup helps you stay organized and ensures you don't miss important files because they didn't download automatically. After you've checked the Documents box, you're all set. It's a simple change with a big payoff: faster access to work files, PDFs, invoices, and reports right when you need them. If you ever need to adjust again, just return to Settings, Chats, Media, Auto Download, and toggle the Documents option as required. That's everything you need to know to activate automatic document downloads on WhatsApp for PC with the new update. If you found this quick guide helpful, consider sharing it with a friend who might appreciate a smoother workflow.